Heart-shaped tire. Dude, why are you breaking it? What a waste. This looks cool. Slicing tires and chopping them. Oh, recycling tires. Good. Good for the Mother Nature. This one. Wow, that's an awesome device. That's a lot of steps to ensure that it is there. It's not moving, right? What's this? Ooh. No more measuring and deciding. Just paint. Ah, this one's cool. Aww. This is gonna be a good fish pond for the fish. Canal dito, canal. This one. Smart. Stays in place. What is this? Oh, a brush. Bottle brush. Brush para sa bottles. Cool. Cool. Well, what's this? Barco, a ship. From land to water. Cool. Oh. No more human powers needed. Just this big machine. Awesome. That's all I can say. Awesome technology. What is this one? Just making holes. Oh, perfect holes. Oh, this is satisfying. Crushing, crushing, crushing. What's this? Wow, they're digging the earth. Oh, okay, get it. This is so smart. Repair your pants in the sidewalk. It's like a constipated machine. Ooh, wow. What are those? Please tell me what are those. Thank you for watching. Bye.